Hi everybody. I'm going to use a banana now to kind of help us solve problems where we're dividing one between 2 people, 4 people, and then 8 people. So if I've got 1 divided by 2, I'm going to cut this banana. So now I've got 2 parts, so each person would get a half. Now if I had to share it with 4 people, I'm going to cut it into 4 parts. So now each person would get a fourth. And then if I had to share it with 8 people, I would cut it into 8 parts. So you can see now that each person is going to get 1/8 of the banana. So as I started sharing with more people, they are getting a small amount. You know, whenever I only had to share with 2, they were getting half of the banana. So they got a lot more than whenever I had to share with 4 and then with 8 people. You know, also I want you to notice the pattern that we see whenever we divide and then we end up with a fraction. So I've got 1 divided by 2 and I end up with a half. 1 divided by 4, I end up with a fourth. And then 1 divided by 8, I end up with an 1/8. So my numerator here is the dividend, and then my denominator is the divisor. And you can see there's a pattern here where we get these numbers. So you're going to have some questions like this, and you know, just keep that in mind as you're working on them, the pattern that we see here, and that the pieces get smaller when we're dividing with more people.